Well, now that I got the most of the cab stripped out, the seats just got to be pulled out, the doors pulled off, the glove box, all of this. I got to pull this off still, a couple of bolts there. I thought there'd be a teaching moment here and stop a lot of frustration. When you have this trim piece up on here, the buttons are on the outside of it. Now, on most vehicles, most headlight switches, when you pull this out to turn your headlights on, it won't come out. It's stuck. And what you have to do is you have to reach in underneath here, all the way up onto the top to the back side, and there's a pin right there. And let's see if I can get it from the top, because I took it out so I could show you. And sure enough, there's that little pin right there. Let's see if I can put a light on. I don't know if I can get a light on there, but there's the pin right there. You can see that pin, a little spring. You have to depress that, and when you depress the pin from the underside, then you can pull that out. And that's what holds it, is that little groove in there. So that's very frustrating, and if you can put a little WD-40 in there, that won't hurt anything. The other one is the windshield washer button, and here's that. So this is kind of aged, it's plastic, but there's a metal insert that sits in there, and sometimes it'll come out, but a lot of times it won't, and it's froze on there pretty good. So you got it, I left it right there how it come off. But you just yank that off and don't worry about breaking it. It will come, either it'll come off the plastic or it'll come entirely. When it comes there, then all you do is you take a screwdriver on the back side of the tab that keeps it locked in, push forward, and it falls off. So though it's pretty important when you're taking apart the dash, and don't get ugly with the dash. Don't break those pieces, because those are hard to find. That's $150 some brand new. I may be able to recondition it. They run a screw through the ends and through the pieces, so I'll have to do a little bit of work to clean it up. But now we just take the other screws off, take the speedometer and the dash assembly out, take the key off, get it all ready for paint. I'm going to scuff this. We'll take the dash off here, that's shot. I'm going to scuff it with a scuff pad just to get the shine off. You see that shine? You get that shine off, then you don't have to take it down to the metal. It's not rusted out. So I'm going to wash it up real good. I'm going to scuff it real good. Then we're going to throw a primer sealer over it that will seal it, and then I'm going to shoot it white. Fade to black.